Yosha! Uy, ang laki! Uy, ang laki! Ang laki, ang laki, ang laki! Ang laki, ang laki!
Yo, what's up guys? My name is GLOCO and welcome to another catch and cook episode, and today our ingredient is boom! The largemouth bass. Bakit siya tinawag na largemouth bass? Kasi look at that. Take a speed. Look at that! Oh, diba? Ayos. Now, the largemouth bass is one of the most popular fish in the world, especially in video games. Kahit anong video game na may fishing, ito yung gold standard na huhulihin nyo. Laging may largemouth bass sa kahit anong video game na may fishing. Final Fantasy, Animal Crossing, Stardew Valley, all that. Now, despite of it being the most popular fish in the world, bakit hindi natin siya nakikita sa palengke? Because it is popular not for eating, but for game fishing or sports fishing. Kaya ito yung gold standard game fish. Alright, so may mga tournaments abroad, ito yung hinuhuli nila, palakihan, pahabaan, and all that. Ganon. Alright, this is so fun to catch. Magaling kasi sila lumaban. They pretty much attack any kind of lure. So, ang saya nila hulihin. So, pag fisherman ka, angler ka, ito dapat ay isa sa mga bucket list mong huhulihin. So, there you go. Dito naman sa Pinas, dalawa lang yung lugar na alam ko kung saan ka makakahuli nito. Napuntahan ko sa dalawa. Yung isang ako ko, binigay ko kay Chuchi para manahimik. Ayun, ingay na naman siya. Ayan, Chuchi pa isa naman, oh! Chuchi! Chuchi! Please! Just need... Lumabas? Lumabas? Want some bass? Oh, ano? Oh, ano? Kainin ka nito. Okay guys, he took both of my slippers now. Take a look at that. Wala na, nasa kanya na. Anyways, let's continue. Paulitin ko, ang largemouth bass or black bass kung tatawagin ng ibang locals ay nahuhuli lamang sa dalawang lugar dito sa Pinas, namely dito sa Luzon. So, one is in Pantabangan Dam sa may Nueva Ecija, and the other one is in Lumot Lake sa Laguna. So, north and south siya. So, itong largemouth bass na nahuli ko, galing po siyang Pantabangan Dam. Itong malaking to. So before we start cooking this fish, pakita ko muna sa inyo kung paano ko siya nahuli. Punta tayo sa Pantabangan Dam. Welcome to Pantabangan Dam, guys. This is our spot for today's bass fishing. Let's go. Oh, look at that view. Woohoo! Currently around 6 a.m. in the morning, guys. So, kakataas lang nung araw. So yun guys, welcome again dito sa Pantabangan Dam. Ewan ko kung again, napakita na ba akong video na nagpantabangan ako. Pero ito na lang, for context, pangatlong beses ko na dito sa Pantabangan. Pero first time ko makakapag-fishing. Kasi yung una kong dalawang punta dito, nabigo. Pinabalik, na checkpoint, gano'n. As in pagdating ko dito, hinarangan na ako. Pero finally, we now have our chance to go fishing. Open na daw yung yung Pantabangan, and then wala namang humaharang sa akin ngayon. And ang bangkero natin ngayon, the ever notorious Sir Noli Tapiceria. Kung kailangan nyo ng bangkero dito sa Pantabangan Dam, hanapin nyo si Sir Noli sa Facebook, okay? Siya yung pinaka dito pinakamalupit. And eto, trivia. Ewan ko lang kung makikita nyo dito, pero dati yung una kong punta dito, may sunken village kasi dyan sa gitna ng lawa. Ewan ko nakalabas ngayon? Yun nga, nakikita ko yung cross Ang malupit niyan guys, nung unang punta ko dito, yung cross na yan, hindi lang yan cross nyo nakikita ko, pati yung parang 1/4 pa ng village or nung church makikita mo. Tapos yung mga puntod, sementeryo, ganun. Kasi kaya, basta may sunken village dyan. So siguro pag summer or
I don't know, kung tagtuyot. Alright guys, we are geared up. Ito yung gagamitin natin for bass fishing. We have 2 ultralight spinning setups. Ito isang 7 feet rod. Ito isang 6 feet rod, I think, or 5'8". I'm not sure. Pero for the 5'8 rod, we have a crank lure just in case may mga pasag or may mga schools of fish sa may sa surface ng water. Ito yung babato ko. Pero dito tayo magfo-focus sa mga unang rounds natin. Texas rig worm, bass worm. Ayan, okay. So, yun yung gamit natin. So, let's go. Alright, nandito na kami sa aming first spot sa Pantabangan Dam. Look at this place. Sabi daw ni Boss Nolly, may malalim daw na parte dito. Doon daw kami kakas. Pati na rin siguro dito. So, ayun. Let's get casting. Let's get this started, boys. Worm. Kinikiblit. What to? Fish on! Yun! Otto! Otto! Yun! Yung kiblit! Ano? Let's go! First pass of the day. Hindi siya manhook. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Otto! Op! Uy, lumalaban. Grabe. Uto. Uto. Okay, lumalaban siya. Ang lakas na. Okay, this could be big. This could be big. Kanin ko yung tab ng konti. Oh, grabe. Grabe, oh. Grabe. Grabe lumaban. Uto. Ilang. Ano pa? Grabe. Bendong-bendo. Grabe yung laban niya. Hindi naman siya nagda-drag pero ako, hindi. Lakas lumaban itong to. Yon. Damn. Parang mas malaki to doon sa nakakuha ko sa lumot.
Ay, pa to, boss. Malit pa to.
Malit pa to dito.
Malit pa to.
Yan yung pinakamalaking nakuha. Sige, pwede lang paano. Picturean ko muna yung ko. First catch ko. Headline. Lakas lumaban, ha? Grabe, look at this. Look at this beauty. Largemouth bass on a worm. Nice. Alright, this is our first bass of the day. Wala pang 10 minutes dito, nagkakas ako. Nagat siya dun sa worm. This is definitely bigger than the bass na nakuha ko sa Lumot Lake. So, ayos, very good. Tatalin nyo pa yan, no? Para mabuhay muna. Tama. Tapos itong Texas rig natin. Para mag-gets nyo guys yung pinagagawa ko. Ito ang tawag sa Texas rig. So may worm dito. Tapos ayan siya. Yung hook nandito. Tapos yung hook tatago ko dito sa parang balat niya. Ayan. So pag kinagat siya nung bass, boom. Tapos ipit. Tapos hook set. Ganun. Tapos i-search nyo na sa YouTube Texas rig. Tapos may weight dito na free falling. Ganyan. So ang action niya sa tubig. Tangan. Ganyan. Ganyan. Kanina, positive kasi ako. May mga water activity doon. So doon ako bumato. So usually, mga ibang bass fishermen nagsa-sight sight casting. Kung may nakita silang activity, doon sila babato. So, subukan natin ulit. Malit lang to eh. No?
Susunod-sunod lang yun eh.
Oo. Nasundan niyo lang oh. Ayaw mahok. Yun. Uy, uto. Yun, mabigat to. Oto, ayan na. Eto na. Tumadrag. Yosha. Uy, ang laki. Uy, ang laki. Ang laki. Oh my god. Grabe. Okay na tong drag ko eh. Sakto na siya. Wait lang. Baka pumibigas pa to. Grabe. Naka-on ba? Naka-on? Okay. Guys, holy shit. This guy's big. Kita niyo yun? Hindi nga eh. Yan ang lalaban na siya. Inaano ko lang yung drag. Sakto na to. Okay, taas ko na itong konti. Laki to. Oh my god, ito na guys.
Lalabas siya ulit.
Ayun. Oh! Agad lang ba? Sige lang. Sige. Paglalaroan ko to. Sige lang. Mapapagod din to eh. Look at that drag. Woo yeah! Grabe. Sige lang. May laban pa to eh. Lakas oh. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung drag oh. Okay, pagod to. Ay lang boss ah. Aangat ko to. Oh, grabe. Sa UN ang bigat niya. Okay, lalaban pa. Ilalim ba to? Oto. Oh boy, monster of the lake. Saan siya pupunta? Pupunta sa inyo boss? Sige lang silang. Malakas pa to eh. Nagpapabigat pa siya eh. Oh my god! Look at that guy! Yo, what the fuck? Uy, grabe naman to. Sabi ko, akala ko maliit lang na humahabol eh. Biglang boom! Oh my gulay guys. Wow! Sulit na ang punta ko dito. Grabe, ilan kilo to. Holy shit dude. Sorry sa pagmumura pero grabe, hindi ko inaasahan to. Wow. Dude, look at this bass. Look at this monster, dude. Oh my god. Now this is a largemouth bass. Look at that. Oh, he's a monster. He's a freaking monster. PB bass. Grabe. PB, aray ko. PB bass. Feeling ko mga ilang kilos kaya ito, boss. Oo, malapit na mag 2 kilos to. What damn, look at that guy. Lakas, sarap, puto. Inano ko talaga, dinahandaan ko na talaga eh. Kasi so this is it guys. This is the monster bass we got. Look at that. This is my feet by the way. You know. Grabe. On a UL Solpara Major Craft and then Stradic on like 4 pounds of line. Look at how kind of yan. Oh boy. Alright, kailangan kong picturean na to. Nice, sulit na. Wala pa tayo isang oras dito. Napagod ako doon, parang ako nag-jigging. Parang tuna yung ano eh. Pag UL talaga. There they are. Ayan na, grabe oh. There it is. Oh, ayan na siya. Ito yung taas ng church or bell tower. I don't know, dude. Pero umakyat dyan, boss.
Boss, data ka na, baka madulas ka pa.
Oh, yun no. Grabe. Imagine a freaking village or town is under this water. Ito. Yes, sir. Oh my god. At pala dinala ko yung drone ko dito para na-record ko to, pero okay lang. Oh, I'm technically on top of the church. Ayan. Ayan, feels good here. Feeling ko pwede mag-fishing dito eh. Dito ka lang, mag-cast ka lang. Feeling ko makakahuli ka eh. Huh. Ruins na yung nasa loob nito, ay nasa ilalim nito. And other than a church, meron ding sementeryo. Yun yung alam ko eh, may sementeryo sa ilalim. Okay, ayan lahat na nahuli namin. Half day lang. Solve na ako eh. Gusto ko na umuwi kasi nakahuli na ako malaki. But you know, look at that guy compared to the rest of these guys. Di ba? Ano kabigat tong lahat? Siguro like 80% na mga huli dito galing kay Boss Nolly. Tapos mga tatlo lang yata yung nandito sa akin. Oh, grabe ang bigat! Siguro mga 10 kilos to.
Meron yan.
10 no? Grabe oh. Woo! Look at that. Oh. Basta akin yung pinakamalaki. Yun na, masaya na ako.
So there you go guys, that's how I caught the largemouth bass. Ito yung aking personal best sa ngayon. Mineasure ko na siya, it's around 14 inches from tail to head. And bigat niya is around 1.6 kilograms. So ayun, sana makahuli ulit ako ng mas malaki. But for now, pwede na to. So anong gagawin ko dito sa largemouth bass na to? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grill it. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it in foil, grill it, pero I'm gonna stuff its innards with vegetables. Ito, mga gulay na yun. Lalagay ko yan lahat dito sa loob-looban niya, parang relleno. Basta stuffed fish eh. I don't know, it's gonna be my first time doing it, but it should be fun. Kasi ano siya eh, scaly fish siya. So usually mga scaly fish masarap ihawin. By the way, we're also supported by Aputure lighting. So they gave us the Amaran 100D and the Aputure MC. Ito yung actually pinaka-favorito ko. So the MC is more of a portable light system. Pwede mo siya dalhin sa camping and all that. And it's very, very strong, by the way. Isa pang maganda sa kanya, you can sync or connect both of these lights to your phone using the Sidus app. So ito, nakakonect siya. So I'll just slide this. Tignan mo. Oh, diba? And, oh, diba? Look at that. See? They're synced. Pwede ko i-off. Pwede ko i-full ano. At itong MC ang maganda dito. RGB siya. Guys, seryoso. Like, watch. Take a look at the MC. I can control it using the phone. And then color. See? Green, blue, pink. See how impressive that is? Ang lakas niya pa and it lasts a lot. Sobrang tagal niya. Thank you Aputure Lights for providing these illumination for our studio. They're awesome. Yeah, that's great. Oh, man, I'm blind. Let's get to cooking. Kasi maingay na si Chuchi. Ay ko, nag-ground ako, putang ina.
Meron?
Nag-ground ako, gago, basahin. So ganito yung ano ko, diskarte ko dito. Para hindi siya, para distance yung ilaw. What I'm gonna do is, point this, the Amaran 100D sa taas, para distance yung ilaw dito. And then, camera. And then ito, lalagay ko dito para ma-illuminate niya lalo yung isa. While the second camera is right here and then nakatutok dito, alright? Yun ang setup ko. Galing, di ba? Ang galing, di ba, Chuchi? Ang galing! Ang galing! Nasa iyo na yung dalawang slippers! Ang galing, man! Anong gusto mo? Oh my God. That's how you tame this dog. Okay guys, here we go, my favorite part. So first things first, since it's a scaly fish, ang gagawin natin dito would be to remove the scales first with anything, a spoon, a fork, ikaw bahala. It really depends on you, pero ito gamit binili ko, it's a descaler. So, gagamitin mo lang siya. Do it on the other side. Alright, there you go. Next, we have to gut the fish, and first off, we have to get rid of the fins on the belly. There, alisin yan. And then from here on out, just cut through the belly. That's the belly of the beast. There you go, guys. These are the blood and gut. After you get all of the guts out, just clean him up again. Yung innards niya, especially mga dugo. So pwede na to, guys. Look at that. It's not that clean, pero pwede na. Pwede na natin lagyan ng mga gulay-gulay and all that. So let's prep that up. Clean this first. Hey guys, I want to apologize again for the crappy mic recording, and thank you for putting up with it until now. Anyways, I'm slicing a variety of vegetables to stuff inside the bass, and if you guys want to learn more about cooking and knife skills, then check out Skillshare.com. I have a link in the description below where you guys can get a free premium membership. Just click it, it's free. So I've prepared a bunch of stuff, random vegetables that we're gonna put inside of this belly over here, but before we stuff him with all these random things, we have to season it with salt and pepper. Okay, just rub some salt and pepper all around his membrane, right there. There you go. Pag magsi-season kayo, huwag kayo mahiya. Pwede nyo damihan ng salt and pepper yan. Kay bahala. Okay, it's all good. So we line it up with lemons first. Lemons here. And there you go. Pwede na yan. And then some parsley, some random parsley. Actually, yung ano na lang siguro, yung mga dahon na lang. There you go. Just put some parsley there para mabango siya. Random stuff, guys. I told you, random stuff. Some tomatoes. Because why not? Next is garlic. Okay. Bawang. Gusto ko ng bawang. Gusto maraming bawang. After ng bawang, lagyan mo ng luya. There you go. Ginger. Put some ginger there, random ginger inside of that belly. Yan. It's gonna give that a really, really nice aroma. Yan. Sunod, sibuyas, onions. Chop tons of onions, guys. Just chop tons of onions. And finally, some bell peppers. So just stuff bell peppers there. Yung para mabango. Yan. Remind me next time, guys, na ang tawag dito large mouth bass at hindi large belly bass. Okay yan, that should be fine. Next up, we're gonna make some incisions dito sa may skin part niya. So, ikaw na bahala kung ilan. Just one hanggang sa buto para manuot talaga. Okay. Pag minsan gusto ng iba pa X, pero okay na to.
Sakto na yan. And you salt it. You salt it pati sa loob ng mga hiniwa mo. Yan. And then baliktarin mo lang. Careful, wag maulay yung mga stuffings mo. There you go. Yan. Para pag ininit siya, bubuka siya. So, salt and pepper ulit sa loob. And your bass is ready! So next na gagawin natin guys, we're gonna wrap it in foil. So we have some foil ready here. Ito natin siya ilalagay para pag inihaw natin, kulob lang siya. At ma-absorb niya lahat ng mga juices and fragrance ng mga linagay nating stuffings and all that stuff. Yeah. Dito kakasya. So ito na lang, balot na lang siyang ganyan. Diba? Parang gift wrapping lang sa Christmas. Yan! Okay, so dadalhin na natin siya sa barbecue. So we're gonna leave that for 30 minutes and then we're gonna flip it after. Naamoy ko na siya guys. Parang damn, that actually smells good. Naamoy ko na yung luya, yung lemons. Man, dude, I think we did pretty good here. Dude, I can't wait. So 20 minutes na nakalipas, it's time to flip it over. Ito yung tricky bit. Di ko alam kung paano siya i-flip it. Yung bigat niya eh. Init. Oh, do it. Yan. Super bango niya guys. Oh. So we're gonna wait for another 10 to 15 minutes and then we should be fine. Okay, here's the tricky part. Okay na siya. Paano ko ililipat? Damn. Ow! Fudge! Subukan natin. Oto! Okay, here we go. Lipat na natin. Wala akong nalagyan na malaki, so dito ko muna siya. So, let's get to eating this. And here it is, guys. Moment of truth! Ito yung mga gusto ko eh, yung mga, pag may mga linuluto silang ganito na naka-wrap sa foil, yung binubuksan, tapos may aalingasaw na usok and everything, and the flavors and the juices and the fragrance. Tara, gawin na natin. I'll use this. Okay, here we go, boys. Ayan. There's the fish. Ooh! Oh man, it smells good. Oh, uy, dumikit na yung balat. Oh, damn, look at that. Whoo-wee! Look at that juicy looking meat over there. Sarap. Pag binuksan ko yan, ako po. Tingnan natin. Moment of truth. Ano kayang nangyayari pag binuksan natin to? Ayan. Ooh, damn, look at that. White meat. Sarap. At pag binuksan natin yung belly. Ooh! Oh, man, ang bango. Oh, what is that, dude? Damn, luya, sibuyas, kamatis, lemon, pinaghalo-halo. Man, that smells good. Ano na, Neil? Tara na. Taste test. Ikaw una.
Ikaw una.
Gusto mo ako kasi gagluto.
Oh, para na, baka may bias eh. Sige mo na. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, beautiful.
Grabe. Walang kanin.
Naghanap ng kanin.
Sarap.
Oh
Nice, man.
boy.
Good job.
Okay,
Sarap siya. Juicy, juicy.
Juicy.
Yeah, juicy.
Melts in your mouth ba? Guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, ako naman guys. Siyempre ako nagluto. May bias ng konti. Pero I wanna get this skin part. Ito yung sinison ko ng todo eh. Ooh! Oh man, look at that. Ooh. Oh man, the seasoning of that salt and pepper. Oh wow. Damn. I did good.
Yeah, you did.
I did good. Gusto ko subukan na may sausawan. Ayan. Yung skin eh, panalo. Damn. This skin part, dude. Pwede ko lagyan ng wasabi rin to, pero huwag muna. Classic Pinoy season, dip. Toyo ka naman siya. Oh, damn. Oh, ang gulay. That is so fresh, dude. That is so fresh. Oh, tapos dip na konti. Oh, tapos tapos kunwari beer to.
You know what's so awesome about the largemouth bass? Pati yung buntot niya. Malaman. Malaman yan, oh. O, diba? Buntot lang yan. Oh. And to think, ang dami ko pang ganyan sa freezer.
Hindi lang sa to?
May 3 pa dyan sa freezer.
Kaya pala po.
Dami ko nahuli.
Wala pa siya masyadong tinik.
Malalaki yung tinik niya, kaya maganda siya anihin.
Madali lang...
Himay-himayin. Oh. Look at that smoke. Ooh! Ooh, that's good. Guys, we're not hyping you guys up or anything. It's just that it's just really good.
Hindi kami gutom.
Minsan lang si Neil bumalik-balik sa mga linuto ko pangatlong balik niya na yan. May
That
kabila pa to.
Fresh at least gets, man.
Oh man, look at that. I am pretty proud of this, seryoso.
Actually, di ko pa na-describe yung lasa niya guys eh. Medyo na-mesmerize pa ako. Isipin mo yung karne ng tilapia pero less langsa. As in, wala siyang langsa guys. Yun yung maganda sa largemouth bass. Kaya pala hinuhuli siya lagi sa Pantabangan. It's just a fresh, meaty fish. Yun yung bass. I would say it's close to chicken. Yun. Yun yung lasa niya. Without the oily saltiness of chicken, yun. Ganun ang largemouth bass. So good, man. Kahit lagyan ko yung luya at yung mga bell pepper. So sabi ko nga, meron pa akong mga nakatago pang mga kasama nito na nahuli ko from Lumot Lake and some from Pantabangan. And ang bala ko naman, ibang luto. Or rather, maybe we can try sashimi as well. Hindi masyado recommended yung sashimi sa mga freshwater fish. Titikman ko lang, tapos luluwain ko ulit. Pero gusto ko lang malaman. I wanna taste the rawness of this fish. Ano pa talaga yung lasa niya with just a simple fry and as raw as it can get. So, yun yung experimentahin natin next time. So, samahan nyo ako ulit sa isang pang catch and cook with GLOCO sa may Lumot Lake naman. And before we end this video, I would like to give thanks to the supporters of our video. Ito si Aputure for the MC lights and the Amaran 100D na nandun. And also for the main sponsor of this video, Skillshare.
Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of super interesting classes for creative and curious people to explore new skills and maybe improve current ones. You can find classes for animation, drawing, cooking, cinematography, and many, many more. Now, believe it or not, the grilled bass is actually my first attempt on making a charcoal fire for grilling. I've never had a chance to light my own charcoal before because it's usually something very tedious to do. So good thing there's a class called Grilling Fundamentals, Cooking Over Live Fire by Zachary Pilacho. Now, what's cool about this class is how simple and straightforward Zachary is in explaining the fundamentals of grilling. He explains and instructs in a very calm manner and will always emphasize that focusing and keeping calm is the key to grilling over fire. His class involves how to build your fire properly, how to season your meat, how to grill it carefully, and how to grill other foods besides meat. The class is so simple and chill, but the knowledge I gained allowed me to be more confident in grilling my bass over charcoal. So if ever you have any plans on grilling anything on fire, check this class out. You can start learning with a free 1-month trial of Skillshare Premium membership by using the link in the description below. Only the first 1,000 people to use my link will get a free 1-month trial of Skillshare, so try it out now. Happy learning everyone, and see you next time!